Hi, welcome to On the Off Ramp.
I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And it's our hope and goal that as you follow our adventures, you'll get a sense of the encore years, a time of retirement or a change in lifestyle.
The encore years is typically referred to as the time in our life when we're about between the ages of 55 to 75. And I can remember when I was entering my 50s wondering, what will this look like?
Mm-hmm. We see it as kind of a time to get off the busy freeway. Getting onto the on-ramp, finding another road, slowing down your lifestyle, changing things that you see, just doing something different. And it's kind of literal and figurative.
Well, one of the things that we're seeing as career and family demands lessen, it's about finding purpose in this time of life as well.
So Lorraine and I would like to share with you some of the steps we took to get on the off-ramp and to help you out.
Well, what can you expect? Well, there was downsizing. We've explored some new hobbies and enjoyed some hobbies we already were participating in. Family life, what could it look like for you? We'll share some of ours with you. Head down the road with us. We do hiking, camping. We live in a Sprinter van a lot in the summer. We find ways to fulfill our time and purpose with volunteering. Join us and try to find purpose at this stage of life.
So our changes came Monday to Friday life. With Lorraine's retirement in July 2020, we kind of pinch ourselves now when we get to head out on day trips. In spite of COVID, we were able to leave our condo in the morning, take a picnic lunch along and head out for the day, and then come down at sundown.
This is beautiful. I can't believe how warm it is. Wow, just even the wind off the water, off the ice, just feels comfortable. Photo landmark here at Steep Rock.
It's so cool how water erosion has just made that hole in that rock. Apparently carried over here from that island, which was quite a feat.
All right. Hey, thanks for coming along and joining us on our journey.
Yeah.
We get to see something new. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, here we were on a day trip and checking out a campground that I'd seen, on the provincial camping list and had never heard of it. And today we ended up driving by it, and it's a pleasant surprise picking out a site that we might like to try out if we come camping here.
Yeah, it's nice and cool. Other times we turn off the water on the condo and we take our Sprinter van and we head out camping for a couple weeks at a time. It just gives us that sense of escape and doing something different.
Thanks for joining us today. Follow us, make a comment below, give us a thumbs up or subscribe, hit the bell.
Or you can email us at ontheofframp@gmail.com.
Feel free to share with us what you're hoping your encore life will look like. If you are already in this stage of life, we'd love to hear from you. We'd love to know what exactly you're doing to find purpose and make connection during this time in your life. Wade and I love to dream and make plans, but one thing we've learned to do is hold those plans loosely.